Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So, do you need to ask a question about an item, shipping or an order on Etsy? Contacting a seller is quick and allows you to communicate directly before or after making a purchase. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to contact a seller on Etsy in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. Okay, so important reality check. Messaging happens inside Etsy. Sellers usually reply within 24 to 48 hours. It works on mobile and desktop, and messages are private and secure. Okay, so the first method is contact seller before buying. So on Etsy app or on desktop, let's see, open item page. Okay, click message seller, write your message, and click send. So conversation starts in Etsy messages. Okay, method two, contact seller after purchase. Okay, so open Etsy app, tap your profile, tap purchases and reviews. You will find here your order, so select your order and tap message seller. Message linked directly to your order, so it's best for delivery or order issues. Okay, you can also contact seller as a guest checkout. So if you bought as a guest, open Etsy orders or order confirmation email, click view your order and select contact seller. This opens secure messaging page. Okay, where to find seller replies. Etsy app, for example, tap your messages, your profile, and tap messages. Okay, on desktop, the same thing, all conversations appear here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.